How to fix Instagram follow back problem. Hello everyone, welcome to this channel. I'm Emily and I'm here to help you out today. So without any delay, let's get started. So first of all, on the Play Store application on a device and search for Instagram. Make sure that you have latest version of the application over here. As you can see, there's no option of update over here beside the application. It means we have the latest version of the Instagram application. So we're going to go back and then make a long press on Instagram application over here and then tap on app info. This will lead us to a new page where you can see the option of clear data at the bottom right corner of the screen. So tap on clear data. Now here tap on clear cache and tap on OK. If possible, you can delete all data as well. Now after that, you can just relaunch the Instagram application on a device, and if that does not fix the issue, you can just restart the device by tapping on the power button and then tap on reboot, and this might as well help you solve the issue. So thank you so much for watching this video and see you next time.